Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be diving into the exciting world of automation and robotics. Definition of automation. First, let's define what automation is. Automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks without the need for human intervention. This technology can be anything from simple machines to complex control systems and algorithms, and it's used to increase efficiency, reduce human error, and improve overall performance. Automation can be found in many industries, such as manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare. Examples of automation. To give you a better idea of what automation looks like, let's take a look at some examples. In the manufacturing industry, automation can be seen in the form of assembly lines, where machines are used to assemble products with high accuracy and speed. In the transportation industry, automation can be seen in the form of self-driving cars, which use algorithms and sensors to navigate roads and make decisions. In the healthcare industry, automation can be seen in the form of robotic surgery, where robots are used to perform precise and delicate surgical procedures. Definition of robotics. Now, let's talk about robotics. Robotics is a subfield of automation and refers to the use of machines designed to perform tasks that are hazardous, repetitive, or otherwise difficult for humans to perform. Robots are equipped with sensors, actuators, and control systems that allow them to interact with the environment and perform tasks. They're widely used in industries such as manufacturing, construction, and healthcare. Examples of robotics. To give you a better idea of what robotics looks like, let's take a look at some examples. In the manufacturing industry, robotics can be seen in the form of robotic arms, which are used to perform tasks such as welding and painting. In the construction industry, robotics can be seen in the form of drones, which are used to survey construction sites and gather information. In the healthcare industry, robotics can be seen in the form of exosuits, which are used to help people with mobility issues to walk and move more easily. Benefits of automation and robotics. So, what are the benefits of using automation and robotics? Firstly, automation and robotics can increase efficiency and productivity by allowing machines to perform tasks faster and with greater accuracy than humans. They can also reduce the risk of human error, which can lead to mistakes and accidents. Additionally, automation and robotics can also create new job opportunities as people are needed to design, build, and maintain the technology. Conclusion. In conclusion, automation and robotics are rapidly changing the way we work and live. They're helping us to increase efficiency, reduce human error, and improve overall performance. We hope you've enjoyed this introduction to the exciting world of automation and robotics. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, be sure to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.